Today's session, it will be started by Dr. Joshi sir for revision lectures for export marketing. The Gold Academy is an online academy initiated by the Rajasthani Sammelan. So we have presently BCom, FY, SYTY, all courses, pre-recorded videos by very experienced faculties, and we have uploaded in our website named as www.goldelearning.com. Okay, where you can go log in and you can watch the videos any number of times from anywhere, either from PC, laptop, tablet, mobile phone, from anywhere. And beside these, the video lectures, we have full syllabus of the video lectures by each module, chapter, and the topic as per the Mumbai University syllabus. And after you read the videos, you can appear for the test for the module as a module test for the preparation test. So just quickly, as I will just demonstrate how you can log in and all. This is our home page. It's goldelearning.com. Okay, now I will over it to Dr. Joshi sir. We will continue with the today's lecture. All the best. Yes, sir. Over to you.
Yes, thank you very much.
Welcome,
Yes,
sir. Welcome.
welcome all my dear students. So nice of you. So I will start my lecture. Okay. First, what I would like to tell you, three things. This is somewhat different subject than your compulsory paper. That is marketing paper. It's compulsory paper, and this paper is ability enhancement course, which is just like previously it was known as applied component. What is applied component? What is ability enhancement? Just to understand the concept, and write it, you will get marks. So don't write humbug. If you know, write in a correct way. So this paper here, you are having so many shortcuts. Okay, and exactly what you should do, what you should not do, exactly how to study, what not to study, everything I will explain to you. Sure that after listening to my lectures and whatever tips I am going to give you for today's lecture, you will definitely score very, 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 very good marks. Okay, take out fear from your mind related to this particular subject. Yes, first thing. Second thing, which is very important, that whatever I am telling you, it will be from the syllabus point of view. So what I am telling you, very important part, that is on your second page of your textbook. Most probably most of the students, they are referring Michael Vass or Kale's book. I hope so. So whatever book you are referring, in every book it is mandatory from the university side to publish the syllabus. Okay. Now I will start with the syllabus. Before starting the lecture, let me clear how I will deliver the lecture. First, I will explain you what is syllabus. In that syllabus, exactly from the viewpoint of paper pattern, what you will do and what you will not do. Okay, because most of the students at this particular juncture, they will ask, sir, option mein kya rakhna hai? Am I right? Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. So most of the students, they will ask, yes, sir, option mein kya rakhe? So that only I am going to tell you kya karna hai aur kya nahi karna hai. But for this, you should have syllabus with you. Okay. Then along with the paper pattern, we will discuss module wise. Okay. Then we'll have a break of 10 minutes. And then afterwards, chapter wise, I will explain you exactly where you will have doubts. That also I will tell you. कहाँ आपको doubt आएगा? क्या लिखना है? क्या नहीं लिखना है? Everything I will make it very clear. Okay. So don't take tension. छोड़ के नहीं जाना है. 3 घंटे का lecture है. I'll make it very interesting because I know that this is theory subject. Theory subject में 3 घंटा सुनना, it's a very difficult task. But those who have attended my lectures previously, They'll come to know that I'm making this particular lecture, this subject very, very interesting. Okay. So shall we start? Shall we start?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So first we'll see what is question paper pattern.